Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm doing a bike check of my own. And yeah, let's get into the video.
So bad.
Let's start off with the frame. I ride a 20.75 frame, or top tube, I guess you can say that. The next part that I have is Sunday stem. It's honestly pretty much stock. The whole bike is basically stock, but I really like it. It's really good. Okay, the next thing or the part is handlebars. I ride 30-inch wide handlebars and 9-inch rise, and it's a 4-piece. Next thing is front wheel and hub. I ride Odyssey Path Pro tires and just the stock, as you can see, wheel. And the back wheel. Back wheel is Odyssey Clutch V2 wheel. It's a free coaster, and honestly, literally, it's so much better than the cassette. Honestly, I've been riding cassette for almost 4.5 years. As soon as I switched to this, started getting tricks. So I recommend getting that one, please. It's not as expensive as it may seem, but it's really worth it. Next part, let's get the pegs. Pegs that I ride is Shadow Conspiracy. Bro, they are $15 each, but it's just worth it because they're hecka light. They have really good sliding, and yeah, just the next part is gonna be the sprocket. I brought a 25 tooth sprocket. Honestly, some people say it's small, but I don't know why they say that. Like, for me, it's honestly perfect. But if you want to ride like fast in the bowl, or like honestly anywhere, I would prefer the 28 tooth. But yeah, that's my opinion. Doesn't have to be yours.